This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2015 Nissan Rogue engine air filter. Open the hood and prop it securely, then locate the rectangular air filter box near the front of the engine bay. Remove any clips or screws holding the cover, keeping hardware in a safe place. Inspect the current filter for dirt and damage, and prepare a replacement that matches the exact dimensions for a proper fit. Begin by loosening the clips or screws on the airbox cover using the correct screwdriver or socket. Lift the cover straight up to avoid bending tabs or tugging on hoses nearby, and set it on a clean surface. Grasp the filter by its edges and slide it out, paying attention to which side face the engine so you can match orientation when installing the new one. Inspect the housing for debris and vacuum if needed. Seat the new air filter into the housing with the rubber gasket sitting flush and the arrows pointing the same direction as the old part. Replace the cover carefully, ensuring all clips align with their slots, then fasten screws or clips until snug without over-tightening to avoid stripping threads. Wipe down any fingerprints or grease from the housing, close the hood, and start the engine to listen for smooth idle and no intake whistling, confirming a correct installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.